guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is Heroine's Revenge, chapter 8. Let's start reading. Eyes turn gloomy. Why suddenly turns gloomy? Ang gandang memories kaya nun. Bakit naging gloomy ka? Ouch! Pressing on me. Oh, gloomy siya kasi hindi siya yung nandun sa memories niya, those moments na he needs someone. May pa ganun. You can't withstand this? How did Fu Tingchuan treat you? Okay. So, okay lang daw sa supposed kung ganun. Married na si... What? Baby. Come back to her senses. Are you... Huli ka. Jealous of Fu Tingchuan? Ay, nako. What if I say nothing happened between he and me during our 1-year marriage? Will you believe me? Wala ba talaga? Oh yes, wala kasi siya si Chuyan yung naghahabol kay Fu Tingchuan. Kay Fu. Basta. Naghahabol siya pero hindi naman siya pinapansin. Turns gloomy. It's not my concern, Charing. It's not my concern daw. Put on. May pa-jacket ang ate mo. May pala ang kuya mo. I'll take you home. Ay, hahatid siya. And for sure, nandyan na naman si Mr. Fu. Ngayon, pabuntot-buntot siya ngayon. Dati, open the door all of a sudden. Dati, hindi naman niya pinapansin si Chuyan, di ba? Tama, nandyan talaga siya. What are you doing here? Oo nga, di ba binigay mo na sa kanya yan? I'm your husband. Is it weird for my appearance here? Of course. For divorce na kayo eh. So weird talaga na nandyan ka. Ikaw pa nagpaperma eh. Hold pang nalalaman. Okay lang yarn. Mr. Boo, thank you for taking my wife home. Faint. Spark. Of course, yung isang goal niya, di ba, is pagsisihan ni Mr. Fu na hiniwalayan siya. Lean forward. Again, ano naman sasabihin mo? Provoke na naman to siya eh. Didn't you say it was not your concern what we had done? I'll see if it's true. Nang provoke ka na naman, ate girl. Bad yarn. Bang. Sinaraduhan talaga siya ng pinto. So you're taking revenge on me. At least he knows na wala talagang connection. Wala silang connection dalawa. Of course, alam naman niya na sila, di ba? Kuha sila ng divorce paper. Where did you go so late? Aba, nagpapakaasawa ka ngayon, kuya? After the divorce agreement na pinirmahan niyo? Not your concern. Yan na nalaman niya na skin with wolf lang yung girl niya. Habol-habulin niya ngayong asawa niya. Get out of here. I have someone change the lock tomorrow. Do not come to me at will anymore. Nga. Usapan na silang maghihiwalay. So bakit pabalik-balik na naman siya? Ano yun? Welcome ka always. Lur. Chuyan, we've been waiting for you for a long time. I've been pala. And I have reflected a lot. Charing. One day lang, reflect ka na. Ay, hindi, 7 days yun, di ba? After 7 days. have prejudice against you before. Maybe you are not that kind of woman I imagine. Well, I think that's too late for you to say those words. You indeed know little about me. Mm-hmm. Paano, hindi ka naman niya pinagbigyan, hindi ka niya kinilala, ayaw na niya agad sa'yo after the wedding. You may not be aware, but there was a time when I held feelings for you. Throughout our marriage, even in the face of your indifference, I have continued to wholeheartedly devote myself to you. I've consistently taken care of the details of your life, ensuring your well-being. Really? Sino ba nagsabi nito? You have never noticed what the original host had done for you. I was my fault for not cherishing you. May paluhod-luhod ka? Na. That's too late for that. Chuyan, let's get restarted. That's too late. It's too late. Do you really think I'm just an object that you can discard me when you want and take me back at your whim? Oo nga. Galing mo rin, no? Huyo ka ngayon. I'm here now not to appease the lingering resentment and attachments of the original host soul, allowing her to reincarnate without burdens. Even if you regret it, the original host won't come back. Oh nga, ano mangyayari sa akin? Mamamatay din kaya siya after this? Or it will continue? Katulad nung isang AI din. It's not late. We haven't gotten formally divorced, and we're still a legal couple. Let's try to date. You should at least give us a chance to know more about each other. That's a year late already, my dear. Sorry ka. Date? The next day. Ano ba? Magde-date sila? Ba't siya pumayag? You look gorgeous today. Well, she's always gorgeous. Hindi mo lang siya nakikita. Thanks, I didn't dress up for you. Mr. Boo, I'm having meal with Fu Ting Chuan at Loving Couple Restaurant. Are you coming? Betty. Can't help but smile. What a wise guy. He completely understands my tricks. Now let me see if you take the challenge or not. So papupuntahin niya para kunin siya, ganon. What would you like to eat? Yung isa naman, syempre, ano siya, nag-expect din. Anything will do. I want a bottle of fluffy tea. What's that? Yeah, someone's running. We've finished eating, but why hasn't Yan arrived? He isn't going to take the challenge? Word. Tapos na lang yung ano nila, yung meal nila, pero hindi pa dumating si Buyan. Let me support you. Blurt. Bam. Leave me alone. Do not touch me. Pero natutumba naman siya sa kalasingan. Unstable. Scoop up. Do not refuse me anymore. Oh, nakuha tuloy siya. She's alluring. Hesitant. Ngayon mo lang siya nakitang alluring after a year of marriage niyo. Ngayon mo lang siya napansin. Oh, hi Mr. Boo. I think you're late. Kanina pa natapos yung meal nila. Ay nako, baka may meeting pa siya. No? Kaya hindi siya nakapunta agad. Sige, pagbigyan natin. And that's the end. Well, we'll see kung anong mangyayari in the next chapter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye!